Alright, hey guys, it's SPC Laffy at 8075 here. Today I'm going to be talking about how to turn your Baofeng UV5R into a scanner. So first off, what you want to do is go to this website called Radio Reference. Give it a second. And go to database. Go to database home. Okay, wait. Actually, look up. Hold on. Alright, you can do near me or browse. Go to browse or near me, and then just click find your state. Find your county, parish, or borough. So I'm just going to go to my parish. Alright. Then, once you're done finding frequencies, go ahead and go to pull out your chirp. Make sure your programming cable is. Also, make sure your latest version of chirp. I'm not going to do that right now. Then click download from radio and find which one it's from. Then click OK. Once you when you are doing it, your Baofeng should be lighting up like green and red. Just give it a second. And here you go. Here's all the frequencies you have. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete some. So like this stuff. It's all these frequencies are weird. So just go ahead and delete them. Delete the 7. You don't delete them if you don't have them. So I'm just gonna drag all these NOAA frequencies up because I know which. And another thing is, if you have NOAA frequencies and you want to scan, make sure you turn this off to skip so it doesn't keep doing that. And since I know Skywarn, I'm going to keep Skywarn. But I'm going to go ahead and delete every single one of these, except the train frequencies, because I have to redo this entire thing. But here's the frequencies I am going to keep. I'm going to keep, where is it? Franklin County. Because I know these are the same ones. Alright, so now I just delete all of these. And I know this. Anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and delete all of these. Alright, delete 13 memories. Okay. So this is going to take a little bit. But first off, what you want to do is go find the frequency. So we'll just get all these frequencies in. But I want to say something real quickly. If you're getting frequencies from here, check the license. Please check the license. If it's expired, I'm assuming if the license is expired, that means it's no longer in use and will probably not ever be used. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's what it means. So just keep clicking on them until you find a valid license, like this one. As you can see all of these frequencies. These are all based in Crowley. So we're probably going to just copy one of. So let's just copy. And I recommend going to the call sign and just finding what frequencies it is, and you can see which town it is in. So then go into your chirp, paste the frequency. Oh, it did not copy right. Oh, never mind, it did. It's acting a little strange right now, but I'll get it fixed. Look, type in 1551525. Just paste it in. Oops. There you go. Now, what you want to do is copy the other frequency. Okay. So once you're done, I'm just gonna name this Acadia. We'll just name it. I'm not sure what to name it, so I'm gonna name it Acadia. Actually, let's name that. I'm just gonna name it Fire Alarm. So that's the Acadia Parish Fire Alarm. And then I'll just do the same thing for. So the only problem with it is you only get, I think, 8 character spaces, or I don't know, 6. Cause yeah, 7. And then when programming emergency services, what I recommend doing is turning off duplex. This will turn off transmitting, so you do not accidentally transmit over these types of frequencies. And then go back to this. What was I on? Parish Fire Alarm. And go to mode, and that is FN. Or something, I think. Yeah, whatever. Then just leave it on this. I think that doesn't matter because, yeah. Anyways, that's basically it. But I recommend, like, when going into something, like, let's say I go to this. What is this? To direct firefighters in day to day. And where is this at? Church Point. That is relatively close to me. So you just find it. And I'm assuming these are the exact same ones. So copy that. 155. It may come with an error message because the frequency is way too long. Okay. 155 9625. And what is that? Acadia Parish Fire Protection. So just do Fire Pro. Anyways. And then just get the other frequency. Actually, there's 3 of them. So we're just gonna paste. Okay. Paste it. Delete all that. Fire. P2. And I'll just name it P, because, like, I don't know what else to put it as. Frequency. Oh, it's the same frequency, so I don't need that. P1. Alright, Crowley Police Department. There's multiple of these. As you can see, if you check the map, zoom out, and you'll see the entirety. So where is this? I haven't heard anything on Crowley, but remember, guys, patience, patience, patience. It will pay off. I cannot seem to find the second one. I'm assuming they're both in the same location. So, CPD 1. Name this CPD 1. And then we're going to grab the other frequency. CPD 2. CPD 2. And that's about it. That's really all you need to know. That's about it. Thanks for watching. I know this is kind of simple, But also, I'm just going to make a quick note. When you're done, click radio and click upload to radio, and it should upload to your radio. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.